finishes that up nicely. Okay, so what we've done is we've laid out some nice smoked back bacon or greenback, whichever you prefer. We've then placed 2 pheasant breasts on top. We've then spooned on some cranberry jelly, just buy at the supermarket. And then we've got 2 nice caramelised red onion pork sausages to go on top of that. So that's our centre. Take another 2 nice breasts, place them on top, and then finish off with bacon. Nicely on top of that. That's lovely. Just cover up that end a little bit, wrap that around there. Same with this end, just to hold the sausage meat in. Underneath. Round. Oh, that was terrible. Start that again. Go around, underneath, and then back down. Pull him tight, loop, see that, nice and easy, hold, lock. That's out. Same again, halfway along, round the back, underneath, through the hole, pull, tighten him off, do a lock. One more down this end, round the back, down through the hole, pull tight, locking into place, and then one lengthways just to hold that all in. So pull around, go over, round the back, down through the hole, pull tight. If you're ever a Boy Scout, there's the story of the rabbit going out of his hole round the tree. That's the one. Anyway, that is your roast. Pop him in a dish, in a baking tray. Roast him, all done. Ooh, a little bit of cranberry fell out. Pop that back in there. Enjoy.